This is Bilgemon488 ppm alarm test. Long press the enter button and tapping once the exit button, the three-way bulb will open. While still holding the enter button, tap plus sign to 15.1 until 15 ppm is alarmed. Releasing this enter button, the three-way bulb will close. And by pressing the plus button, you will see the log entries. Tap the enter button to see the latest entries of alarm. After checking the entries, you can abort using this exit button. Press it 3 times until you see the standby on the screen.